Alright, so we are in, this is Bluebell or East Norriton. We're just passing through, and this is one of the premier places. I was not in the mood for a cheesesteak. However, I am going to order a chicken cheesesteak, and I feel like a chicken cheesesteak is one of the most underrated things to get here in Philly. You know, everyone talks about cheesesteaks, but for the most of the time, a lot of us are ordering chicken cheesesteaks. So, and they've been voted best chicken cheesesteak in what's that, Montgomery County? Montgomery County. So that's what I'm about to do. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. If you order a large cheesesteak, it's so much meat. It's probably 3 to 4 pounds of meat. So if y'all greedy like me, y'all will order that too. But let's go and eat the food. Pudges. We got hot pastrami too. My wife's thinking about the cheesesteak salad. I'd say go for it. People want to see the hot pastrami. I need to feel better about something. Thanks, bud. Put it in. I got the wife here. You want to say hi?
Hi everyone.
It's the chicken cheesesteak. This is the hot pastrami, Russian dressing, oil and vinegar. Crazy. Looks good. Looks really good. Alright, so the hot pastrami, raw onions, Russian dressing, Swiss, oil and vinegar. I want the wife to try this. We have a lot of food. We gotta move this around. Wow. Can you focus in? That is so good. That is so good. That's good. Want a pickle?
Pickle means pickle, like a monster truck.
It is so good.
This is good. I told you I don't order, what is it, pastrami?
Pastrami, hot pastrami.
Oh my gosh.
With the raw onions, take the cake. This, I'm pro onions on every sandwich. So the fact they put this raw onion, which is kind of like a little bit cooked, you know, I've seen them put on the grill a little bit. That looks amazing. I still think sandwiches unlimited hot pastrami has an edge, but the raw onions on that, so good. Well, the wife she got a cheesesteak salad. Y'all want to see her cheesesteak salad? Let's show it. Damn, where is the salad? It is just cheesesteak.
This is like really good.
It's a cheesesteak hoagie in a way, without the bun.
Yeah. I was about to say that. It's really good when you're not in the mood for bread.
Carrot? Is that like tomato?
That's good. I need dressing. That meat is good.
You can't be saying that on camera. Not in front of my audience. Yeah, we gotta get some dressing for that.
Yeah, and these salad dressing. It's really good.
Alright, I gotta put some salt and pepper on my chicken cheesesteak, but normally I get my chicken cheesesteak from Ishkabibble. I love it. But they were voted best chicken cheesesteak. I'm saying it again. This is a lot. They got a brand name bread, Conshohocken Bakery. I got mayo on the bottom. I'll take it out. I got mayo on the bottom, fried onions, ketchup, some sweet peppers, salt, pepper. Good roll, really good roll. Conshohocken Bakery, very underrated. Pudges. That was one of Donald Trump's weak points. Pointing from within.
got an excuse for that. But it also had to be signed off by a judge. Well, the judges are corrupted. So everybody's corrupt. Except coffee.
Good bread.
No, that one.
Good fried onions. The chicken has good moisture. It's not dry. Very tender. Very tender chicken. I mean, it is delicious. This chicken cheesesteak is like nice and creamy from the cheese and lots of moisture in the chicken too. Super soft bread, super tender chicken, mayo, cheese, banging. I can see why they give you a fork, because all that meat's coming right off.
These are all just copies. You know,
Right.
always sign those outside the boxes. That means that's okay.
Yeah, I don't know if it's super cherry.
Good. Pastrami sandwich more. That's good.
Okay, pastrami, hot pastrami was like, to me the hot pastrami was like better than this chicken cheesesteak, but chicken cheesesteak is like good damage control. You still get like good flavors. You're still eating a chicken cheesesteak, and I'm telling you, it's one of the most underrated sandwiches in Philly, the chicken cheesesteak. But here, this is what we're gonna do though. My wife has so much steak. I'm just gonna Batman and Robin this. I'm just gonna go ahead and add some of that steak onto my chicken cheesesteak. Steak. It's gotta be 16 ounces on there.
It's a lot.
Good, buddy. That's the way to go. That's the way to go.
Say that,
This is the big dog in town. I think where they win a lot of people over is having a lot of variety on the menu, from cheesesteaks to salads to wings. And they also give you a lot of bang for your buck. If you're eating a cheesesteak here and you want loads of just meat in your sandwich, this is the spot to be. Is it the best chicken cheesesteak I've ever had? It can be one of the best. When I get my chicken cheesesteaks, I get it from the Poppy store, and they load it up with so much like other stuff that you don't really taste the chicken. This you can actually taste the chicken, so I'd say for now this is probably one of the more fulfilling chicken cheesesteaks I've had. So, good job. The more, with every bite, I'm enjoying it more and more. I think they've lived up to that name in this area, the best chicken cheesesteak. Y'all let me know who got the best chicken cheesesteak in Philly. You know what I mean? I want to know who got it. Let me know. All right, let's get an update on the cheesesteak salad, because they gave her a lot of steak on top of her salad, and she could take this home and make another sandwich out of it. Look at that. You could take this home and get a 2-for-1 on this one.
Look at all this. So I ate this half, had like the salad underneath, and then there's all the meat that's left.
Nope. Pudges is synonymous with doing it big and doing everything in abundance. So you come to Pudges, they're gonna give you a lot. All right. Shout out to the staff here, very friendly too.